One of Jotel's most popular wood stoves, the F500 Oslo, weighing in at 445 pounds with a 2.54 cubic foot firebox, it will heat up to 2,000 square feet and burn up to 9 hours. The Gothic arched cast iron door design frames an extra large fire viewing area that only Jotel can supply. This cast iron is a culmination of award-winning Norwegian design and craftsmanship that will certainly be the centerpiece of your hearth and home. The industry's largest side-load door allows for easy loading while the stove is burning. You can also load through the front door using our patented spring-loaded door latch. In concert with the cast iron ash grate, an extra large ash pan makes ash removal a snap. Open the door and enjoy an unobstructed view of the flames with our optional fire screen. Easily extend your burn time using Jotel's single air control lever. Jotel, timeless Norwegian craft.